Hey everyone, Vince with Anson PDR coming to you with another new product released by Anson PDR. This is an XL tool tray. Fits on your TDN small tool cart, but it also, we've made it so you could put it as an accessory at your shop or other tool carts by installing it with these holes that we've installed in the back here. If you notice here, it's notched for the small TDN tool cart, or you could attach it to a wall or another tool cart as well. Some of the features that come on this is the large size whale tail holders. You can see that the slots are cut very large to accommodate all sorts of different whale tails, whether it's round stock, forged, dent craft, or any of the ones out there that will fit every single whale tail that's out there on the market right now. On the other side, you have the actual holes that are made for different tools, and on each end you have the slots that can accommodate a slide hammer, a blending hammer, whatever you need on the end. This is extremely thick aluminum. You don't have to worry about bending anything on this. Some of the other tool trays that are out there, they're a little bit thinner and they're known to bend in certain areas, especially on the whale tail holders. This is extremely thick aluminum and it is beautiful. Next up on our tool tray holders is this guy. Once again, very thick anodized aluminum tool tray. It's a utility tray. You could use it for your hot boxes. You could use it for a glue tray. However you want to set it up, it's good to go. It will hold a ton of weight. Over here we have the Kiwi slide hammer on there, and it holds it just fine. Some of the other features, you can put your tabs within these small little holes right here. You could hang a rag from it if you'd like. And there's just so many different options with this utility tool tray. Once again, you have the holes on each side that you could accommodate a slide hammer or a blending hammer or whatever else you guys want to put in it. It's a wonderful addition to your TDN tool cart, or once again, we've made it so you can mount it on any type of tool cart and wall if you want to in your shop. So go ahead and check these out. They'll be on AnsonPDR.com. You will see them on the tool vans as well, or come into the shop and check them out in person. Thanks for watching.